guys, this is the end. This is that beautiful ending moment. Dun, dun, dun. I'm Kim Purcell, and I've helped so many kids, just like you're going to do today, finish their books and publish them. Have some kind of beautiful moment at the very end, and this will be maybe in a different setting. The friends will be together, the allies, or whoever they need to talk to, and we'll tie up any loose ends, and there will be a nice, very satisfying moment. Maybe the characters will have a little talk about something that ties into what your theme is. We haven't talked too much about theme yet because those are for my very specific workshops, but you want to show whatever you were hoping the reader would learn, or whatever you're hoping the reader will leave with, this is what you're going to have in that ending. So you're going to write your ending. What's their final moment with their allies? Mostly they get what they want, but maybe there's something they didn't get, or there's a downside. So think about what that might be for your character. You want to end your book in a way that you like. You got it, you guys. Quick, brainstorm your ending and then write it. Pause me now and answer these questions in your notebook so that you're ready to write. Make sure you watch my workshop on how to publish your book. You guys, it's not expensive. It's so easy and it's so satisfying to get that book in the mail. I'm so excited for you. The last chapter. Woohoo!